you don't have any conscious relationship to yourself, well, you're just going to get anxious.
You know, you have to go into those dark pathological spaces to find something important, you know, to like really find and talk about these things that are, I don't know, more rigorous. Like you have to go into some ugly spaces of yourself, I think, which is not, you know, it's not a good look sometimes, but it's like, it's important to kind of go there, and it leaves you kind of vulnerable and then leaves you kind of like not in your best light sometimes. But I think that that's like a way to sort of like go deeply into those like recesses of like different pathologies and conditions that are harder to, if you sort of like stay behaved, are sometimes hard to actually access. Do you know what I mean? So so sometimes you have to kind of like, it has to get messy a little bit in order to like find the real deal.